Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about the 2014 Hyundai Verna. The vehicle is standing right in front of us. Let's dive into the vehicle, but firstly I would like to thank Pride Motors for providing the vehicle for a review. This vehicle is for sale on Pride Motors. Let's talk about the details of the vehicle. So this is the 2014 model, second owner, and it has driven 1,20,000 kilometers. It has a comprehensive insurance too. So let's talk about the front design of the vehicle. So you can see how beautiful it looks from the front. Yes, it has a kind of timeless design, to be very honest. Let's come up to the headlights. You can see how beautifully the headlights have been done of the Hyundai Verna. Yes, definitely this is the LED DRL. Projector setup, as this is the top model. A halogen indicator on offer. You get fog lamp down there. You can see the grille. Minimalistic design language on the grille, but it looks stupendous. Let's come up to the engine bay. Opening the hood, you can see, yes, this is the gem of its engine. Yes, this is the 1.6 liter CRDI diesel engine. Yes, this produces 126 bhp of power and 230 newton meters of torque, which makes this a very powerful machine. Insulation there, of course it is a very refined engine, and this vehicle is this vehicle has automatic transmission. Definitely I'll talk about it. Let's close the hood, back in place. Let's come up to the side. So you can see, yeah, definitely this is a long car. This is a long car. Yes, you can see how long it is. I hardly managed to fit it into the frame. Jokes aside, let's come up to the tires. You can see here. Okay, so yes, diamond cut alloys on offer, as this is the top model. The tire size happens to be 195/65 R16, 16 inches alloys on offer. We get dual disc front and rear, definitely. Let's come up to the ORVM. You can see the ORVM. Yeah, these are electronically retracted from the inside. We just press a button and these are retracted and folded. You get indicator on the ORVM. Definitely you can see it looks very big, like the it doesn't have any kind of blind spot in it. Let's come here. You can see a request sensor is offered over here. Let me just release the boot for a moment. Let's come up to the rear design. So you can see how beautiful it looks from the rear. Yes, as I said, it is a timeless design and it keeps on growing when you see the fluidic Verna on roads. Let's come here to the tail lamps firstly. You can see the tail lamps, how beautifully the tail lamps have been done. Sadly, everything was halogen at that time, but yeah, this car, rather being a 10-year-old car, the body line of the car is stupendous, in a stupendous condition. This has been maintained very well. Let's talk about the Verna over here. Okay, Verna written here, Hyundai logo given over here, 1.6 SX written right here. Let's open the boot. So you can see the boot space. It is 465 liters. So yeah, you get a quite big boot on offer. Let's close this. Let's come up to the rear bumper. Okay, it has not closed. Yes, okay, now it is. Let's come up to the rear bumper. You get 4 parking sensors, 2 reflectors over there. And if you feel this is aftermarket, no baby, this is the stock exhaust, as this is the top model, right? 1.6 liter diesel CRDI SX. You can see this SX written over here. Let's come up. You get a parking camera, because yeah, this has a updated infotainment system, aftermarket definitely. Let's come up to the rear seats. Okay, before getting in, let me show you the doors. So you can see the door pads, how beautifully the door pads have been done. Definitely leather seats on offer, because this is the top model. Let me talk about the door pads. You get a soft material over here, hard plastic. No door pocket sadly. Speaker placement given over here, wooden treatment for the window controls, chrome door handles, definitely. Let's get inside. Firstly, let me show you the cabin. You can see the cabin feels spacious. Let's get inside. Alright, you can see this. I have a decent under thigh support. My legs are almost, I'm very comfortable in this car, definitely. Knee room, very good knee room on offer. Let me talk about the headroom. Yeah, as it is a sedan, so I decently agree with the headroom on offer, definitely. Let me come here. You can see a screen over here, a rear infotainment system, and a rear infotainment system. Yeah, definitely this is aftermarket and not stock. Okay, leather seats. The seats quality after 10 years and being a used car, the leather seats quality is on a very higher side. Like they are not torn off, no stitchings coming out here and there. Everything is just on place. You get seat belts definitely. Let me talk about the center armrest. You can see the center armrest. You don't get twin cup holders over here, but definitely you can see this. Yes baby, we get a storage space over here. Let me get this back into place. And one more interesting thing about the center handrest is that it doesn't like lay down on the seat as all the other Honda cars do. So let me keep it back in place. Let me talk about the headrests. You can see two headrests. Center passenger doesn't have a head, so they didn't offer any kind of headrest for the center passenger. But yeah, we get adjustable headrest for the two passengers over here. I guess 3 people can easily fit inside this cabin because of because the floor is completely flat now. It will be very comfortable in the rear seat because it has some kind of recline angle, which makes it a very comfortable place to be in. Let me talk about the partial shelf over here. You can see huge space. You shouldn't keep things over here. That's very risky because it becomes a blind spot for the driver. But yeah, you can see partial shelf given over here, and that's the high mounted stop lamp given over there. Let me talk. We get a light over here. You can see the light. We get a handle and a hook, integrated hook there. Same as the case, we get a handle over here, not a hook. This is to lock the car, unlock the car. Let me open the door and get in the driver's side. You can just take an overview of the dashboard. Yes, this looks very beautiful dash. Okay, so let me show you the key. So this is the key of the vehicle. This is okay. Let me focus it for a moment. Okay, here it is. So here it is. So this is to lock the car, unlock the car, and hold to release the boot. Hyundai logo over here. The key feels very premium. Let's keep it into place. And one more interesting bit of the Hyundai Verna is, as it is a top model, you get a start stop button. So let me just start the car. You can see there it roars to life. Let me just switch on so you can see the instrument cluster there. You can see, of course, gauges were there. This is the tachometer, this is the speedometer, and you get a small screen here which shows you the fuel meter, the engine temperature, the gear mode, and then distance to empty. The average is shown over there. These are the here we can see the territory lights. Definitely. Let me come up to the steering wheel. So the steering wheel feels very decent to hold. It is not that big, and the feel and feedback of the steering wheel is very good. It weighs up at high speed definitely. Let me make you hear the horn. Okay, so I'll show you one more feature over here so you can just see. Yes, the horn is loud, and this has one touch. Okay, I guess it is for the okay, it is just for the like if you press it once, it rolls down, but you need to keep it hold to roll the windows up. Let's go. So let's come back to the steering wheel. Here the Hyundai logo over here, airbag here. These are the steering mounted controls to control the audio system. This is to accept the call, decline the call, and to increase and decrease the volume. Definitely. Let's come over here. Let me just focus it for you guys. So yeah, these are the headlight controls. Auto headlights on offer, as this is the top model. I have mentioned this hundreds of times in the video. This is the indicator. This is also used for indicator. Let me come here too. Let me focus it again, and here it is. So yeah, we get headlight leveler, headlight controls over here too. Okay, anything I missed on? You can see the levers. Yeah, this is the automatic now. So you can see no exposed bit as such over there. Let me come here now. So these are the wiper controls. Let me show you the spray. So yeah, see, decent amount of sprays on offer by the wipers. Definitely they clean the windscreen in no time. Okay, so you can see there's a change here. This is not the stock infotainment system, but yeah, this is aftermarketly installed. This is for the rear defogger, this is for the front defogger, this is the hazard button. Let me just shut down the hazard button. Auto climate AC, check this, auto climate AC, definitely. Yes, and then we have a 12-volt charging socket over here. We have a aux to connect and or iPod and a USB socket given over here. Okay, so let me come to the screen. Let me just explain you it in short. Let me go into home. You can see this, the thing just changes over here and there. Yes, you have, the screen is decent to operate. Definitely. Let me talk about the gearbox. So this is the automatic gearbox. Definitely you can see, beautiful with transmission, doesn't lag at all. A manual handbrake. Definitely you can be the drift king next spring if you buy this vehicle from Pride Motors, Pune. Let me show you this. You can see this. Oh my god, you have lots of storage space given over here. Let me talk about the glove box quickly. You can see, yeah, good amount of storage space is given over here. AC vent placement done beautifully. This is not, I guess this is, yeah, this is auto dimming. Yes, this is auto dimming. Rear view mirror is on offer. You get a sunglass holder over here. Okay, someone's specs have been caught over there. Never mind. These are the lights, of course. Everything is working. Every switch is working in this vehicle. This vehicle is in stupendous condition. You have a slidable mirror over here. Let me just take it back. And you have a normal mirror over here. Let me talk about the pricing. Let me firstly get outside the vehicle. Okay, getting out. Here we are. You can see this. Yes. So this vehicle is the asking price of this vehicle is 5,50,000 only. You get the top model, the 2014 second owner. It is driven 1,20,000 kilometers. It has a compressive insurance, and this vehicle is available at Pride Motors Pune. You can definitely check them out. All the details will be provided in the description box, and the contact number will be also given in the description box. You can definitely come visit, check out the car, and you can crack your deal. This is a very good deal, and the price would be slightly negotiable. So